Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. First of all, we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically no worries. This operation looks similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to clear the browser based on this tutorial. So let me enter the browser, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want, we can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. But if in your case this list is really long, then I highly recommend to tap on clear browsing data, because here we can do it automatically. And here in the basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced you can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So let me tap on it and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.